Hello, everyone. Hello. Hi everyone, just to let you know that I have police that have come to my house. Apparently they've said keep girls in my house. So here I am. They're trying to stop me from taking the live video. This is my house and this is my right. Okay, I can do whatever I want to do. I have a right to it. They've come to my house. I have a right to checking my house, so it's my right. So I've told them to go ahead and check what they want to check. Yes. Check all the houses, check all the rooms. You are very free to check. It's my right, it is my house. Don't try and snatch my phone away from me. Why is snatching my phone away from me? You came in my house in the morning, they invaded my house, checking my house like I'm a thief, I'm a terrorist. I'm not. Okay, I'm a Kenyan citizen with my rights. I have my rights. This is my house. I have a right to talk. Okay, go where? Go where? Where am I going? What have I done? What have I done? I'm going to Buruburu to do what? State for me the reason why I'm going to Buruburu. What am I going to do in Buruburu? Where is the warrant of arrest? Get me a warrant. Sit talk up without a warrant of arrest. Okay, I'm not living here. Give me a warrant of arrest. Why are you coming to arrest in my house? What for? Bring me a warrant of arrest and then itatoka hapa. Sitatoka hivyo. Okay? Sitatoka hapa without a warrant of arrest. I don't know what you're coming to get me for. What are you coming to get me for? Tell me. Almost 8 men. I don't know why you're here. Give me a letter. Give me a warrant of arrest. Give me a warrant of arrest. You cannot come and arrest in my house. So I'm not living here without I am not living here. I am not living here. I am not. Why? Why are you arresting me? Why? With somebody? Have they written a report? Is there a report? Is there a written report? Where is it? Show me. Show me. Show me. Give me the OB number. I confirm with my lawyer. I have a lawyer to do that. Give me the OB number. Since I talk without that OB number, give it to me.
Let me go.
I'm not. Mimi si talk here without the OB number. I'm not living here. I am not going without an OB number. Where you arresting me? Where you come to? I am not. Okay. Give me an arrest. Give me an arrest warrant. Si talk here. I'm not living here without a warrant of arrest. I am not. Okay? Give me the reason why you're arresting me and I'm going with you. Otherwise, I am not living without a warrant of arrest. I'm not through. I am not through. I am not through. Okay? Just give me the reason. Give me OB number. Give me the OB number. I'll check. Give me the OB number. Okay? Give me the OB number why you want to arrest me. And then we will go with my lawyer. I'm not living here with you. I don't know who you are. I don't know who you are. I don't know. I know you're not here for my interest, okay? You are not. I need to get someone who's here for my interest. Sawa. That is not enough. You've said there's an OB number. What's the number? Give me the OB number. Give me the OB number. What? For the report. It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Is it funny? So why are you laughing? That is the question. Why are you laughing? I'm asking a question, you're laughing. You think I'm stupid or you take me for stupid? I'm asking a question, why don't you answer? Why are you laughing? What's funny? There's nothing funny. Okay? When you come to arrest someone, there's something called warrant of arrest. Show it to me. You don't just like, yeah, give me the warrant of arrest.
About warrant of arrest?
Who told me? The school told me.
Who?
The school.
So for police officer to effect any arrest,
yes, you've come to my house, give me a warrant of arrest why you want me to accompany you. As simple like, what's so big about that?
But I think he has explained that.
Explaining is not enough. Explaining is enough. Give me the warrant. You've come to arrest me, haven't you?
But do you know that there are circumstances when a police...
I do not know that. That is why I need my lawyer. Tell me why you want me to come. I'll come there with my lawyer. Okay?
Oh, you want us to tell
yes, I want you to come. Tell me the station you want me to come to. No, then I'm going to come there.
You,
yeah, I'm not going. I'm not going.
Oh, you're going.
I am not going.
You're going.
I am not going.
You're going.
I am not going.
Yes.
I am not going.
I'm telling you.
I am not going. Tell me which station. Tell me which station. Tell me which. I'll bring myself there. I know where. No, I'm not going with you. I'll bring myself there. I am not going with you. Okay? I'm not. About which two? Does she know me? That I am not going. I've told you. I'm not going. I am not going. You can check. You've checked everything. Okay?
The lady is complaining about me.
I am not going without a warrant of arrest.
Yeah.
I don't know what you're coming to get me for. I don't know whether you want to go and kill me. I don't know. I don't know whether you want to go and kill me.
Yeah. My friend, wewe ulisema unataka kuniua.
Si umesema umekuja na gani ukasema unataka kuniua? You said you want to kill me. You said you want to kill me. Why do you want to kill me? Si amesema kuniua. Sasa nyumba yangu, it's my house. I have to see you guys off. It's my house. Okay? Amesema nataka kuniua. Why should you kill me? I'm not the first and I'll not be the last to die. See me wa kwanza na see me wa mwisho. I'm not the first and I'm not the last. Okay, we'll all die. Kila mtu atakufa. Hakuna mtu atakufa hii dunia. Nobody is immortal. Everyone is going to die. Hi everyone, I hope you're all okay. This morning when I was getting already to leave, I got people knocking on my gate. So I asked them who they were and what they wanted, and they said they needed that. Mimi unanijua? Mimi unanijua?
Hata sema huko kama nakujua. Then from there, mimi ni back. Mimi ndio wanajua. I'm the recruiter. Hata kama mnajua shit. What's the big deal? What's the big deal? What's the big deal? Kama mnajua shit. Yeah. What's the big deal?
Hi guys, I'm headed to Buruburu police station right now. Yeah. Niko kwa gari. I've been handcuffed. I'm going to Buruburu police station. They're going to tell you why they've come to raid my house and why they're taking me to Buruburu. Where? You said you shoot me. You said you'll shoot me. Unasema utaniua, ukatoa mpaka bunduki. Atutaniua. Unasema unataka kuniua. Unadhani wewe utakufa? You think you are here forever? Hata utakuja kufa. Dead, you're not mortal.
Maybe atakufa pia.
Kama Ken Okota alikufa, who the hell am I? Ken Okota died. So who am I? Ken Okota ni mtu wa maana kushinda mara 20. Don't even compare yourself to Ken Okota. Sasa na wewe, what good are you in humanity rather than to people and show people gun? Umejifisha gun juzi. Hizo cells zimekewa damu. They are there for human beings, not for cows, cats. They are there for human beings. Hizo vitu, they are there for people like us. They are made for people like us. If we don't go there, who will go there? Nani ataenda huko? Na hizo ni pesa zetu, ni taxpayers money. Hizo maseli zilekewa binadamu, sio nguruwe ama panya. Okay? Guys, we are headed to Buru station. They're gonna tell me what they need me for. That guy there, the left right, is the one with gun and saying he was gonna shoot me, he was gonna kill me. That one, huyo ananiangalia. Alisema ataniua. They brought me home without even shoes. Look what they've done to me, my clothes. You know, it's their fun. I've been handcuffed. They handcuffed me like a terrorist. If it makes them happy, why not? We live to fight another day. So anyway, what was happening? She blew my phone away from me. So I said, this is my right. You have no right to take my phone. That is intimidation. And it's not with me. And someone was trying to tell me he'll shoot me. And I'm like, oh, just shooting. Will I be the first one to die? People die every day, but don't. Cowards use the gun as their shield and defender. I stand for my right and my truth, and my truth and my right shall set me free. You see that guy in the left here? That is the guy who was, threatening me with shooting. He says he's gonna shoot me. Yep. So I'm headed to Buruburu. I want them to tell me exactly why they need me there, and then we'll get from there. We live to fight another day. This is Kenya. If there's anyone who lives around Buru, please bring me some shoes, or some slippers, some sandals, size number 8, please. This guy bundled me out of the house, without shoes or anything. So you can please get some sandals, and probably something like that or something. Really appreciate it. We are headed to Buruburu. When I get, I'll let you guys know. I'm very safe. Yeah. Yes, please. Anyone near Buruburu, please bring me some. As you can see, my hands are handcuffed. They've handcuffed me. They dragged me out of the house without any shoes on. So I probably need some sandals or some shoes. Size 8 will really be ideal. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Here we are now. We are getting at the police station, Buruburu. Yeah. So here we are, coming down. Nataka kuniembarrass. Mwanamke mwenzangu nataka kukuembarrass na kuacha uchi. Shame, shame, shame. Hebu nini? Nitazishuka hapa. Kuna ngazi. Because I cannot jump from there. So how am I supposed to come down? I can't jump from there. I cannot jump from there, my friend. I have a problem in my leg. There's no way I'm going to jump from there to down place. I can't. Niko na shida na mguu. Nifungue. Kama unanifungua. Nifungue pingu. Sawa. Hapa says I cannot jump from here. Honestly, I cannot jump from here. Sasa I cannot jump from here. Honestly, toeni kitu chini ama mnitoe. Two things. What's the big deal? Nimefunga pingu. Nimefika police. Where am I going? I'm not going to jump there because I can break my legs. You guys have already dragged me now. If you see this, you dragged me down on the ground. Okay? You've already dragged me enough. You're not dragging me anymore. Hey, now they've left me in the van. I cannot jump. You know, I have my thing is on, my scaffold's on, so they will not take them either. Excuse me, is there anyone around here, Buru? Because I don't want to leave these guys with my phone. Yeah. Okay. That is one of the ladies there, one who tracked me. Yep. If anyone is coming to Buru, please get me some sandals. This is what they've done to me. Front of the house, without any shoes on. And have my hands up, so obviously there's not much I can do here. So they even try to take it, as you can see. Yeah, my hands are in handcuffs, so I cannot basically cannot move. They tried to make me jump from the van. I cannot jump from the van because my feet is bad. So, and they won't take off the cuffs from me. So, yeah. Also, anyone's around here, please, I want you to come so that if I'm getting in, I'm gonna leave my phone. You guys, I'm not leaving my phone out here. You know what I can do? Yeah. I need someone to laugh. Hello? Nimefika, si ndio? Hakuna naomani ya binadamu hii. Huku ni kwa binadamu, sio wanyama. Ni hapa ni kwa binadamu. Wanyama waletwagi huku. So basically, if there's anyone around Buru, please, I need to give out my phone. So if you could please come, I really appreciate. Yeah. I'm still out here. I'm still waiting in the van because I cannot jump off the thingy, the van. My hands are handicapped. Sorry, I've been handicapped. I've told them to open the handicap so I come out. They've refused. So they've left me out here. I'm waiting. But I would like, if there's anyone around, because I don't want these guys to go with my phone. If they take my phone, they're going to mess everything. All the evidence from my phone are going to be messed. Yeah. This is the one said was going to kill me. Yeah. So I don't want, yeah. Onge makoso nyafiwa. Onge makoso kama geta merieko. Donomka. An human rights defender. Koro gibiro oda gibiro ko ja oda. Koro nikech penjo gitela ria dek. Gikela ka. Ananga masomo. Achomo dek. Kendas. Nani? Picha ya nini? Mimi sipigi picha. Kwani nipige picha? Unaona niko na handicap, siwezi toka hapa. Asante. Umekuja kunichunga? Mtu anaweza toroka. Ina ngombe nika. Adier. Tongano be osebiro ka. Adwa inyalo picha kanyo. Nyachu osiluor.